Querying. SQL for JSON. Looks like the SQL you know, costs like NoSQL, breaks like neither. Select star from C where C.name equals John. Looks familiar, right? But this isn't a relational database. There are no tables, no rows, no foreign keys. This is SQL running on JSON documents. And the rules are completely different. One bad query can cost 50 times more RUs than the same query written correctly. The basics look familiar. Select from where. But the from clause isn't a table, it's a container of JSON documents. You alias the container. C.name, C.age, C.address, city. You're navigating a JSON tree, not joining tables. And select star? It returns the entire document. Every property, every nested object. Fine for debugging. Terrible for production costs. Joins in Cosmos DB are not what you think. There's no cross-table join. Instead, you join within a single document. If your document has an array of tags, you can flatten it with join tinc.tags. This gives you one row per tag per document. It's an intra-document join. Perfect for filtering or aggregating nested arrays. But remember, every join multiplies the result set. Cosmos DB gives you dozens of built-in functions. Contains and starts with for string matching. Array contains for checking array membership. Is defined to handle optional fields. Round floor ceiling for math. Get current date time for timestamps. Date time diff for calculating age of records. These functions are index aware. Use them and the query engine can leverage your indexes. Cosmos DB doesn't do offset limit the way you're used to. Instead, it uses continuation tokens. You send a query. You get back a page of results plus a token. Send the token with your next request, you get the next page. Stateless. Scalable. No server-side cursors. The SDK handles this automatically with iterators. But understanding the token pattern matters when you're building APIs. Never concatenate user input into query strings. Use parameterized queries. Select star from C where C.email equals at email. The SDK binds the parameter safely. This prevents injection and lets the query engine cache the execution plan. It's faster and safer. Order by is where most people get burned. Order by on a single field works if that field is indexed. But order by on multiple fields requires a composite index. Without it? Full scan. The same query goes from 2 RUs to 200. And the order matters. Name ascending, age descending is a different composite index than age ascending, name descending. Define your composite indexes based on your exact query patterns. Every query has a cost. A single partition query only hits one logical partition. Cheap, fast, efficient. A cross-partition query fans out to every partition in the container. The query engine sends subqueries in parallel, collects results and merges them. 5 partitions? 5 times the RU cost. 50 partitions? You get the idea. Always include the partition key in your where clause when possible. Cosmos DB supports geospatial queries natively. Store locations as GeoJSON points, polygons, or line strings. Then query with st_distance to find items within a radius. st_within to check if a point is inside a polygon, think geofencing. st_intersects for overlapping regions. But you need a spatial index on the path. Without it, these queries won't execute. Every query returns metrics. The RU charge tells you the cost. The index utilization percentage tells you if your indexes are being used. The document load time versus index lookup time tells you where the bottleneck is. Enable query metrics in the SDK. Check them in development. Monitor them in production. The Query Advisor gives you automatic warnings. QA 1000 series codes, when your query could be optimized. SQL for JSON is powerful but deceptive. It looks like the SQL you know, but the cost model is completely different. Every query has an RU price. Single-partition queries are cheap. Cross-partition queries multiply your cost. Order by without composite indexes destroys performance. And select star returns more data than you need. Know the price before production. If this helped, consider subscribing. I break down Cosmos DB concepts every week. What query pattern surprised you the most? Drop it in the comments. Next up, indexing strategies. Cosmos DB indexes everything by default. Sounds great. Until your writes cost 5 times more because of it. Thanks for watching.